And here's how to find recently deleted photos on iPhone. Go to your Photos app, and now let's select some random photos and let's delete these photos from my Photos app. And now I'll show you how to find recently deleted apps. So go to your Photos app and here scroll down all the way to the bottom, and under Utilities you should see here recently deleted folder, or you can just tap on Utilities and here you will find all utilities. Tap on recently deleted and here you will find all of your recently deleted photos. All you have to need to recover any photo from here, open the photo, tap on recover photo, and the recently deleted photo will be recover or restore. Note one thing, that in recently deleted folder all of your deleted photos and videos will be stored for 30 days, so we can easily restore any of them within 30 days. Thanks for watching.